Hello everyone, I'm RoboTou. Most functions of the Starry Time-Lapse Stacking module in the RoboTou Stacker software are automated. The only manual operation required from users is creating a mask. Now, I'll show you how to quickly make one. Open one of your starry sky photos in Photoshop. Once opened, go to the menu bar, select Sky. Then Edit Fill. Choose white. We want the sky area to be white and the ground area to be black. And click OK. Then select Inverse. Go to Edit Fill again. Choose black. And click OK. Next, press Ctrl+H to hide the selection. Then Ctrl+D to deselect. From the menu bar, go to Image Mode Grayscale and click Discard. Press Ctrl+L to bring up the Levels tool. Drag the two sliders to the middle and click OK. Now your mask is ready. Note, here, white represents the sky, and black represents the ground. Finally, from the menu bar, select File Export Save for Web, Legacy. Choose JPG as the format. Click Save. Set the save path. Enter the file name mask.jpg, and you're done.